In this video, I will show with you step by step how to check in online in Air New Zealand Airlines. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google and search for New Zealand Airlines and then click this result. As you can see here, this is for New Zealand Airlines. After that, go back to the official website and click on check-in option. So friends, from the check-in option, all you have to do, you have to option here. You should be write your online check-in, retrieve your booking, write your booking reference. After writing your booking reference, write your family name. This is for family name. If you want to find this reference, booking reference, just click this option and then you will see some guide to find your reference from here. You have to find your reference on the reference you found on ticket journey in your tickets, and then you will see 6 characters code and you will be through different airlines. This is how you can do, guys. I would skydive for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Just try booking reference on family name and click continue, this option as you can see here. And here how you can find your booking reference from this some guides. Thanks for watching this video.